So in our fourth lesson, God comforts through people, and we do the story of the Good Samaritan, and it's really amazing how we can get comfort from other people, and we can also give comfort to other people when they're hurting because of what we've been through. And so the kids will do a game at the very beginning, and if you have just one child, you can do a timer to see how fast they can do this activity. If you have multiple kids, you could divide into teams, and they're going to have a contest to see which team can unwrap the Band-Aids and put them on the other person the fastest. And it's really fun because it's a lot of unwrapping and taking this off and then putting it somewhere. So that'll be a fun game for them. And then they will do this craft, and they'll each get a roll of medical tape. So I'm going to have Greer put it on me. Everybody loves medical tape, right? So it's fun to just have them wrap up a pretend wound. They can do it on themselves or they can do it on another person, and it's just fun to play with this medical tape. And so really the main point of the lesson is that yes, life hurts, but God has not left us here to suffer alone, and He provides comfort to us, and one of those ways is through good, trustworthy people. And so we want to teach them that their pain has a purpose, and that God is so much bigger, and He has a big story for their lives, and that includes using their pain to help other people.